The Tesla Cybertruck's first customer deliveries may have been moved to next year, but this does not mean that facilities that would be supporting the production of the all-electric pickup are not inching towards completion. Among the most notable of these facilities is Steel Dynamics, the upcoming Sinton Texas factory, which would be producing the steel that would be used for the body of the Tesla Cybertruck. Tesla pays special attention to the materials that it uses for its vehicles. After all, the manufacturer claims that they offer the highest levels of passenger safety. So, the body of Cybertruck is made of super-hard cold-rolled stainless steel, which the manufacturer designates with the code 30X. The same steel Musk uses for the super-heavy Starship launch vehicle that his company SpaceX is building. SpaceX estimates that the round-trip Mars journey will take Starship about a year, with unmanned crew tests expected to begin in 2022. The unique stainless steel appears capable of withstanding these flights. Tesla Motors promises that Cybertruck's body will be strong enough to easily withstand not only heavy metallic objects, but also gunfire from 9mm weapons. Apparently, the steel is the reason behind Tesla's unusual design of the vehicle, which again, received a rather ambiguous public reception. At the same time, Musk gives somewhat contradictory explanations on Twitter for Cybertruck's polarizing design. He writes that Cybertruck's angular design is cinematically inspired and recalls Bond Diana, and The Spy Who Loved Me. He also cites Harrison Ford's legendary dystopian thriller, Blade Runner. Ultimately, Musk explains that the true reason why Cybertruck is so frankly planar is related to the properties of the 30X steel grade, tweeting that, "You can't stamp ultra-hard 30X steel, because it breaks the stamping press." Drone footage from Steel Dynamics' Sinton plant, last month, showed that the facility is coming to form. Similar to an update video posted by the company a few months ago, the August flyover featured several more structures emerging from the ground and far more machinery being installed in some of the key areas. Steel Dynamics did not provide specific details in its August flyover, but the message was clear: the Sinton Texas plant was progressing quickly. Instead of the ultra-strong steel used for Tesla vehicles, why not take ordinary stainless steel, an alloy of iron with chrome, and put it into mass production of cars? Plate and sheet machine building steel, from carbon and low-alloy steel grades, including high-strength types, are the most popular materials for the production of cars. But even the best samples of such rolled products, despite the most modern anti-corrosion treatment, sooner or later, get affected by rust, which is very disappointing for their once happy owners. Another reason why Tesla is using steel innovation is to save millions on its Cybertruck program. With the flat panels and straight lines, the automaker doesn't need stamping dies to shape the body panels, or even blanking dies to form steel blanks. They can waterjet or laser cut the panels to size and even cut out the window openings this way. Other standard tooling, such as hemming dies, won't be necessary either. All Tesla will need is a simple brake press to crease and fold the panels to the proper shape. The body is an exoskeleton, which is to say, the body panels are welded together to form the structure of a truck. This is not body-on-frame construction like a conventional pickup truck, nor a collection of panels bolted and welded into a unitized body shell like a typical car. Instead, it's a different way of constructing a vehicle, which no other major automaker has ever done. Steel Dynamics' Sinton Texas plant would play a key role in the production of the Cybertruck. But that's not all. The facility would also be tasked to produce the steel used by Elon Musk's private space enterprise, SpaceX, for its Starship program. Interestingly enough, Steel Dynamics' Sinton plant is located practically in the middle of Starbase, Texas, and Austin, Texas, where Tesla's sprawling Cybertruck Gigafactory is currently being built. It should be noted that the Cybertruck would not be using the steel produced at the Sinton, Texas plant directly. Tesla would still be redoing the steel that it would be taking from the Sinton facility to create the Cybertruck's exoskeleton. Which means the electric vehicle maker is not ready to share all the secrets of the Cybertruck's body with Steel Dynamics, despite the steel maker committing billions to the project. This also shows how far Tesla will go in developing the parts in its product, The stainless steel alloy uses a blend that is proprietary to Tesla and SpaceX. Steel Dynamics' Sinton plant is estimated to cost $1.7 billion, and it is expected to provide numerous good-paying jobs to workers in the area. The facility was also initially announced to start operations in fall 2021. Thank you for watching this video. Please do hit the like button, as it helps my channel a lot. Subscribe to Stuffbox Tech for more cool stuff like this, and just stay tuned.